Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I would burn PewDiePie so that you guys would subscribe to him. Okay, so if you guys are not aware of the great battle between PewDiePie and T-Series, right now I will fill you in real quick. So T-Series is this very many employee company that posts multiple videos a day and is based out of India and is growing insanely fast and is about to pass PewDiePie as the most subscribed YouTube channel on the platform. And PewDiePie has been the most subscribed YouTube creator on the platform for many years now and is a single person that creates as much as one video a day. It's almost impossible for one person to compete against a huge company. So if PewDiePie gets passed by T-Series, a part of YouTube dies, and that part of YouTube is the part that was built by the people, the individual creators, the people like PewDiePie, Felix, who paved the way for other creators on the platform to have a place to create a career and share everything that they would like to share on YouTube. And for that place to be taken by a corporate company, a little wholesome part of YouTube dies. And so for that, I would like you guys to subscribe to PewDiePie and unsubscribe from T-Series.
I don't like your T-Series. Nothing personal, kid. But I must go all out. Just this once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series, I'm here to spill the real tea. You tryna dethrone me from spot on number one, but you India, you lose, so best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you, zero vibe is gone. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just wet themselves in their pajamas. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Oof. You got a fifth of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls of worlds to hold your defecation. Oops, multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble rap community. No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now download the sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to hit even a million. Sabot.
That is going to be it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. This is for sale, this specific piece of cherry, this wood burning. It'll be on my Etsy page. There will be a link in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for allowing me to keep creating videos the way that I do. You guys are absolutely incredible. And a special thank you to the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are extra special. If anyone else wants to help support my channel or the things that I do, Patreon is probably the best way to do so. There will be a link up in the top corner as a card and in the description as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.